probably shouldn't do this while I'm heavily medicated, eh? Fucking take some pretty heavy fucking painkillers. And feeling a little bit new. But,
we kicked you really hard, you won't get pain?
no.
Okay. Yeah, what do you reckon?
Like that. Great pleasure. Oh, here we go. That's what I thought. It was a bit much.
Or you could put one on there and just see if it makes a difference to that one side.
Well, one guy was what you're supposed to do. You got to Loctite all those nuts on. One guy forgot to Loctite them.
Yep.
On YouTube, he's flying around, and one blade, you see one blade go, and it just goes round and round really fast.
Yep.
Smash! Luckily, it landed in a tree as it came down. All he did was just find the prop, had to replace the nut, couldn't find that, and that was it. Just put lock nuts on instead.
Maybe weld them on.
Oh, spot weld them, yeah.
That's the way to go, wouldn't it?
No, just use Loctite, leave it for a day, and that's it. Not a problem.
I had a hammer.
You hammer in the morning?
And I might have a hammer in the evening as well.
What's going on here? It's getting caught.
Fail.
Ah, it's getting stuck. It's got a bit wedgedy. That's better.
I thought it was just your bad blow.
You're gonna have the clarity out. And it's my medicated. I'm fucking lows.
No different to normal then?
No, well, that's right.
Oh, I can't see any difference.
No. Off, just flies around.
Mainly in an upwards direction.
That's right, if I just take off and fly around, but I'll wait until I get the cloverleaf antennas because I don't want it dropping out. But I took it up yesterday up to about, I think it was about 500 feet, 400 feet I think it was.
You're not allowed to do that.
Huh?
You're not allowed to do that.
What, 400 feet?
No, 500 feet.
No, it was 400 feet actually. And I think the mic said that they started to go fuzzy, so that's sort of the 400 or 500 feet.
What, and the glasses too?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. winter.
No, I haven't used mine. Too much last
My in-laws,
Don't get cold anymore.
my in-laws' gas bill's normally about $80 to $100, and then suddenly they had a $300 bill. So they rang up Western Power or Synergy, and they said, "Oh, read us out the numbers." "Oh, sorry, the guy put the numbers back to front. Yeah. We'll send you out a new bill. No apology, nothing. Just send you out a new bill."
And stop whinging.
That's right. You won't get any service from us.
No, they shouldn't be bloody employing dyslexic people to read the meters.
Well, I've seen the guys that do the delivery at our meter. They basically